Lately, my ex and my YouTube feeds have been flooded with posts and videos about trading scammers exposed. It seems like the new trend is just about everyone exposing everyone else. And look, I'm glad people are warning beginners about fake gurus, but honestly, I personally don't watch those videos anymore, just because I've already been there and I've learned my hard lesson. And yes, I lost money to courses and trading bots in the past. But you know what makes me the most angry? Well, it even isn't the money, it's the time. I lost so much time and energy consuming content that did absolutely nothing to advance my career as a trader. And yeah, the truth is, the trading industry will always have scammers. And videos promising how to make 1K a day will always get the most views. But think about it. About the scammers, I mean. If someone is spending all their time and energy creating videos with clickbait titles or selling courses or mentorships, that's a full-time business already. How can they have time left for their own trading business? Well, I personally have been struggling in this trading game for over 6 years now, and I finally realized that to succeed, you really have to think twice about where you put your energy. So really think where your energy goes. So that brings me to my real question today. Where are you? Where are the real traders who are struggling with trading in silence like me? Where are these unprofitable traders sitting alone in front of their screens and trying to figure out which daily task actually brings success? Because everyone just screams that everyone or the YouTubers, YouTube traders are scammers. So where are these people who try to change their lives like me? That's what I want to see on YouTube, the everyday reality, the hard work, the ups and the downs. And yeah, let's be honest, they are the downs most of the time. That's exactly why I created this channel. I turned 50 this year and I'm building this as my personal logbook to document my process and hold myself accountable every single day. Because I'm determined to do whatever it takes to finally become profitable. And I know my videos won't become viral. There is no sexy thumbnail, there is no promise to make 10K per month, there is no fancy editing. I just want to show the harsh reality of non-profitable trader. And this reality isn't sexy, but it is real. So if you are struggling in trading or if you are documenting your own trading journey like me, please leave a comment. I would love to connect with you. And stop watching those drama videos. Let's get back to work, guys. Happy learning, everyone.